Now we start adding the keys. And as we move on, we make the spaces between the keys less and less over time. Don't forget that we have to adjust the frame rate over here, which it should be 24 frames per second. That means each 24 frames is gonna be 1 second. See, we are making the spaces of the keys less and less. You have to keep on doing that until the spaces are really close to 0. If you leave the animation right now, then the ball is gonna have a weird stop, which is not correct. The ball should stop so slowly that the viewer doesn't understand when the ball stopped. We just continue adding keyframes until our eyes are satisfied.